What's up, everyone? Welcome to Excel Maven Expert Series. This is session number 10, and today we're talking about custom workbook protection. So most people know that in Excel you can go to the Review tab and protect an entire sheet or an entire workbook, which is pretty straightforward. Let's say you want users to be able to edit certain cells but not others. I'm going to show you two ways to do that using this basic dashboard, just an example. So as you can see here, we've got certain cells that are just raw data inputs and then certain cells that are formulas. Let's say I'm passing this off to a colleague or an analyst and I want them to update the data without overwriting any of the formulas. First way I'm going to show you is using the Allow Users to Edit Ranges option in the Review tab. So if I click on that, I can set up a new range. I'm going to call it Data Inputs, and this is where I'm going to select the range of data that I want users to be able to edit. So I'm going to select all of these cells shaded light blue. You can hold Control to select a non-contiguous reference like this. Great, I can select a password if I want. So let's say the password's data. I'll enter it one more time just to confirm. Great, now if I hit OK, now once I protect the sheet, I'm going to do the standard settings. If someone were to try to change the click-through rate or the CPC formula, I'm going to get an error. If they try to click or change the one of the data input cells, it's going to ask for my password. So I'm going to write data, and now I can edit that cell. So that's one option. To get rid of that rule, what I can do is unprotect, go back to this Allow Users to Edit Ranges option, and I can just delete that array and apply it. So now we're starting from scratch. The second option, which I actually think is a little bit easier, it's essentially doing the same thing but through a different method. What I'll do is actually start by selecting that same reference of cells, that same array that I want users to be able to edit. I'm going to right click, go into Format Cells. Most people don't realize that one of the tabs in the Format Cells dialog box is Protection. Within that tab, there are two checkboxes, Locked and Hidden. By default, every cell in an Excel workbook will be locked, so this checkbox will be checked. By unchecking this, essentially what I'm saying is that when I protect the sheet, any cells with this box unchecked should be editable as opposed to locked with all the others. So if I hit OK and then protect my sheet, let's try that again. So if you edit any of the formulas, nope. If you edit any of the data inputs, I'm all set. So there you go. Two ways to accomplish the same thing, but it can be a great tool to help keep some extra control over your workbooks and your data inputs. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. Otherwise, stay tuned for the next session. Check out excelmaven.com, learn about our hands-on customized training. Talk to you guys soon.